Bakit po tinatay niyo yung pang-election niya?
Minsan na po siya natanong kung magiging parte ng kabinete niya si dating DILG Secretary Benjamin Abalos Jr. At sinabi naman po niya na nais naman niyang makatrabaho muli ang dating DILG Secretary. At ito na po ang tugon. Sa maraming katanungan po siya ay masasali muli sa kabinete ng Pangulo.
Ma'am, any marching orders?
Okay, ang kanya po magiging responsibilidad, ilan lamang po ito sa aking babanggitin. Number 1, assist the President by providing timely, relevant, and strategic advice on emerging national, local, and international issues affecting the political landscape. Number 3, as may be directed by the President, serve as a conduit of the President to national government agencies, local government units, political organizations, groups or parties, civil society organizations, and sectoral groups on matters of political concern, and also serve as head of strategic action and response office, and for this purpose exercise supervision and control over its constituent offices. So ilan lamang po yan sa magiging trabaho po ni Secretary Benjamin Abalos.